What is good, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? Today I'm going to show you guys how to do jumbo boho locks. Now you can do these big or you can do these small. As you can see, mine are like medium size. So I'm just going to show you guys the easiest method. Alright, so first you want to start off with twisting your locks. As you guys can see, I already have one side done, so I'm just going to do the other side. So you want to start off with twisting the root of your locks. Now you can do this without twisting your locks, but if you want a neater look, I suggest that you twist your locks prior to doing the braids. Okay, so you're just going to take your locks and twist it just like how you twist your locks normally. And I just want to mention as well, this method works for long locks and it works for short locks. My advice is when you have shorter locks, you can do them thinner, so you can make the braids a little bit less thick. So you can do it that way. Okay, so now I twisted all of my hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and braid the hair. Like I mentioned, the shorter your hair, the smaller you want to do them, because you want to make sure that you're able to braid the hair. So my method is actually braiding the hair all the way down. So you want to braid it as much as you can, so that once you have the natural once you have the fox locks, once you have like the hair, the loose hair, it's going to be easier for you to braid. I know a lot of YouTubers, they actually braid it like a little bit and leave a little bit out. I like to braid it all the way down just so that I'm able to easily braid it into my locks.
Been a while since it felt like this. 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 Been a while since it felt like this.
So right here, I missed a few hairs of twisting in the middle, so I'm just going on ahead and twisting the roots and then braiding the hair. So I believe like on each side I would say maybe about 4 braids the most, or 5. It all depends on how big your head is and how thick your locks are. Now that we have all the braids in my locks, we're going to add the hair. So what I like to do is add the hair on the end of my locks. So we don't have to put it on the top. We're going to add it right on the end. So we're just going to braid that fox hair into my locks and just braid it all the way down to the end. Very, very simple, very, very easy method. Trust me, you guys, if you have locks and you want to do some cute braids, this is the quickest and easiest method ever. So all I'm essentially doing is just braiding under my hair on the bottom of my locks. Now that I have all of the braids onto my locks, I am going to add cute little accessories. So I will leave in the description the hair that I did purchase. It does come with accessories. I believe I purchased about 3 packs and I still had more hair. I think I only used like 2 packs total. So I will leave that in the description below. It all depends on how thick you want your jumbo locks or medium length locks. or medium locks. So it's all based on how you prefer. That concludes the video on how you're able to do your boho braids over locks. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. This is such a quick and simple and easy style on how you can achieve length on your locks and have a beautiful and cute style in the process. Alright, I hope you guys found this tutorial useful, and I hope you try it on your locks. Like I mentioned, this is for medium length and for long length locks. So if you tried this, let me know how it goes and let me know how you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so much more in store for you guys. Thank y'all so much. One love. Peace.